Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about, it's Fast Money Friday. That's where I talk about my 3 income streams that create direct cash flow. That's the Conversion Pros, $25 one up, and Local Marketplace Profits, which shows you how to make money on Facebook. These 3 streams put together can create cash flow within your business. But what I want to talk about more specifically is, especially people who are busy, or anybody really, or work or whatever, you can literally use funnels to be able to create cash flow in your business. So I think that one of the programs specifically that I have in my direct cash flow toolbox, which is the Conversion Pros, everyone needs to have in their toolbox. Once you understand how to leverage funnels, no matter where you are, you can always have something that is out there being putting you in position to create money for yourself. So as an example of this, today is the 11th, is Wednesday, March 11th, and I was at work today. And while I was at work, I got a commission that came in today, and it's somewhere around here. It's like, I don't know where it went, but anyways, I got a commission that came in. Okay, now how does that work? How do you make use this system to be able to make money? Well, it all starts with funnels. The Conversion Pros is a page builder system and a marketing system all in one. So what it allows you to do is you're able to promote anything, right? Rather it be something that's free, that to you, that's an affiliate program, you can make a small commission, or something where it's mid-ticket or high-ticket, whatever you want, right? You're able to create capture pages just like these, custom pages, and then you're able to create sales pages. So I was able to put together a page where I did a video, explain what the Conversion Pros was, lead them on to why they need a funnel system, and then a button to them get started. Okay, so while I was at work, someone came in my system, watched this presentation, and decided that they wanted the Conversion Pros. Okay, and that's pretty much it, right? So that's what you want, is a system that allows you to do that. Okay, so now today I can go into my system and I can literally cash out $200 from the Conversion Pros. Okay, so these are from the payouts. Okay, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to actually request all 200 of it. Okay, and I'm going to submit it, and I can literally cash that out. All right, and that's going to get sent to me. Okay, all $200 of that is sent to me. All right, so that's how you do it using the Conversion Pros. You can start with a 14-day trial, but once you understand how to build funnels and lead people to it, you can also make money on your system. So as you're building your affiliate programs out there, right, get paid for your page builder, right? Get paid for other people who are looking for page builders. The Conversion Pros has a built-in affiliate system as well. It pays every single Friday, like clockwork, which is amazing. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to kind of just show you can check out beneath this video, and there'll be more information about how you can start the 14-day trial with the Conversion Pros. But the thing with the Conversion Pros is, go ahead and upgrade, right? It's only going to cost you, $50 to have access to these tools, and really just start using them to grow your business. All right, that's it. Bye guys. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.